The U.S. Postal Service has come out with a new stamp to stamp out extinction. The money raised will be used to help save endangered animals all over the world. It's an image many of us cherish, beautiful and exotic animals living free in the wild. But around the world, many wild animals are slowly disappearing. Lynn Lohr works at the Consultative Group on Biological Diversity in San Francisco's Presidio.
We humans, through habitat loss and pollution and population, are really decimating the species.
After seeing the millions of dollars raised by the breast cancer awareness stamp, animal advocates came together.
From very animal welfare oriented to very hunter oriented groups that normally don't work together decided to collaborate and say, hey, why don't we submit to the Postal Service a proposal to create a stamp like the breast cancer stamp.
The result is this stamp featuring a Siberian or Amur tiger cub, an animal that was almost wiped out, but now on the rebound thanks to conservation efforts.
That species is showing somewhat of a recovery. Just a few years ago, there were only 65 left, and now there are hundreds more.
The stamp costs 11 cents more than a regular first-class stamp, with the extra money going to fund projects to save everything from African and Asian elephants to tigers, rhinos, apes, and sea turtles, including those found along the Northern California coast.
I think we would all want to see these animals for our grandchildren, for them to be alive in the wild. So that's the challenge, is for Americans to recognize the importance of this. And through 11 cents, they can make a difference.
The Fish and Wildlife Service points out that during these tough budgetary times, all of the money from the stamp program comes from the public. No tax dollars are used. So the success of the wildlife conservation efforts largely rests with how many Americans actually buy the stamps.